Ever felt like you're leaving money on the table? Like there's a treasure chest overflowing with digital gold just waiting for you to unlock it? If you've been participating in the Bifrost network, whether through staking, providing liquidity, or engaging in their various DeFi offerings, the answer to that question is likely a resounding yes. Those hard-earned rewards aren't going to magically appear in your wallet. You need to claim them. Now, you might be thinking, claiming rewards? Sounds complicated. And while the world of blockchain and DeFi can sometimes feel like navigating a labyrinth, claiming your Bifrost rewards is actually a pretty straightforward process once you know the steps. That's exactly what we're going to break down for you today. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch upon the why. Claiming your rewards is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it's the tangible benefit of your participation in the Bifrost ecosystem. These rewards can be in the form of $BNC, the native token of Bifrost, or other assets depending on the specific activity you're involved in. Secondly, unclaimed rewards often don't compound automatically. By claiming them, you can then choose to risk-take, reinvest, or simply hold them, allowing your earnings to potentially grow further. Finally, unclaimed rewards sitting on the protocol aren't doing much for you. They're essentially idle capital. So, how do you actually get your hands on these juicy Bifrost rewards? The exact steps can vary slightly depending on where your rewards have accrued. However, the general principle remains the same. You'll need to interact with the Bifrost platform or the specific decentralized application, DApp, where you earned them. Let's consider some common scenarios. If you've been staking DOT or other assets through Bifrost's liquid staking derivatives like VDOT or VETH, your staking rewards will typically accumulate within the Bifrost DApp. To claim these, you'll usually need to navigate to the staking section of the platform. Look for a Claim Rewards or similar button associated with your staked assets. You'll likely need to connect your wallet, the same wallet you used for staking, to the DApp. Once connected, initiating the claim transaction will require a small gas fee, usually in the native token of the underlying network, like DOT for VDOT rewards. After confirming the transaction, your rewards should appear in your connected wallet. Similarly, if you've been providing liquidity on Bifrost's SALP, Slot Auction Liquidity Protocol, or other DeFi protocols integrated with Bifrost, your earned rewards will be accessible through the respective platform. Again, the process generally involves connecting your wallet to the DApp, locating the section related to your liquidity positions or reward accrual, and finding a claim button. Be mindful of any potential lockup periods or vesting schedules associated with these rewards. It's essential to always double-check the official Bifrost documentation or their community channels for the most up-to-date and specific instructions for the particular activity you're engaged in. The user interface of dApps can sometimes change, so relying on the latest official guides is always a good practice. Remember to always exercise caution and ensure you are interacting with the legitimate Bifrost platform. Double-check the website URL and be wary of any suspicious links or requests for your private keys. Your security is paramount in the decentralized world. So, go ahead, explore the Bifrost platform, locate those unclaimed treasures, and put them to work. You've earned them through your participation, and claiming them is a vital step in maximizing your engagement with the Bifrost ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.